Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a brand new Zenpop box video for June. I don't know if you can tell, but the box has kind of changed its shape and it's going to be hard to show you without like showing my address. So let me just, there we go. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a shoebox shape now. It used to always be square. So I find that really interesting. I don't know why they changed it, but I'm sure there's like a good reason. Zenpop news. Oh, they have some new boxes. And, oh, they're just going through all the different boxes. Ramen box. They've already had the ramen, the snack, stationery, which is the one we've got now. And a limited edition one. I think that's new. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, cool. I thought maybe they would start to show the items again in a brochure, but I think this is just advertising their brand new, kind of a revamp of Zenpop. It looks like a revamp, like even the inside, there's a pattern and everything. Luna looks different. Luna being Zenpop's character. And so we are in June and volume 1. So yeah, first of all the brand new boxes, which is very exciting. Just before we get into it, here is the QR code if you want to follow along at home. And yeah, let's get into it. So these look like little teeny tiny little paper notes. Post-it notes potentially. Let's open this up. They're so cute. I love the muted colors. There are 4 different colors here. And they're very functional. Take this off. Okay, yeah, they're sticky. You can tell like this part here is sticky. That's so cool. Sometimes it's hard to use a lot of the very cutesy post-it notes, but these ones, these are super functional, and I love that they're belved, because the typical ones you get from like Officeworks or most Western stationery stores, they're all sharp corners, where I love the belved corners. Now we have some mild liners, which I am so excited for. I will try these out at the end of the video. And then we have even more, not even more, but like little washi strips. So I love these little books. I have a few of them now, and I find them really handy for just decorating. There you go. Okay. I think you have to take the backing sticker off, but they come in these like little booklets that you can just pop into your journal. So for on the go, but these are all the different colors. These are so cute, and I just love how they're cut. We have a pen here, which I can already guarantee that I love this one because I have this one. I prefer it in 0.38. This is in 0.5. This is the, where is it? Oh, it's right here. The Uniball Signal. It's like one of the most popular gel pens you can get. It writes really smoothly, beautiful gel ink. I will show it to you if you guys are not familiar with it at the end of the video, but this is like just a classic pen. And then we have a whiteout tape. I love this one. It's like very ergonomically friendly. A lot of the ones I have are a little bit like rounded, or they're cutesy and they're fun, which is nice, but this looks way more functional. And then we have some, I'm not sure what these are, like this. I know they're stickers, and they're like plastic stickers, but I don't know if they're like supposed to be rocks. You can kind of just use them for decoration purposes. I love the color theme. And then we have a little storage pocket envelope where you can just store a bunch of little paper items. I'll just pull that out so you can see. And then it's just a snap closure. It's like a little, tiny little folder just to store any knickknacks. And then I think we've got 2 more items. So now I think this is like A5 size, A5, yeah. Pretty sure it's A5. A5 size folder. We've got different tabs, so you've got 1, 2, 3 slots. And then I'm pretty sure these ones are in collaboration with the artist that was mentioned in the little booklet before. So it says here, Saigetsu collab. So the artist Saigetsu 1125. I'm not familiar with the artist, but I get the feeling that this is their artwork. And then here is some more artwork, which is a beautiful notebook. Let me take it out of its plastic wrap. Another A5 notebook, lined, and quite a few pages as well. Fits nicely into the folder. So yeah, that is everything in June's Zenpop box. Look at the bottom, they have this little thing now. Walkini, thank you, that's cute. And another QR code. I'm gonna scan this up to see what it is. Okay, so I just scanned it up, and it's basically like a way to give feedback, a feedback form for the box, which I thought that's kind of a cool idea. All right, let's go test out those mild liners and the pen. So I'm going to test out this pen first, which you guys know I already love. Writes so smoothly. Love it. I wish that it was 0.38, although I think most people wouldn't like 0.38 just because I'm actually setting up a small stationery pencil case to leave at my desk at work, and I use the 0.38 a lot, so I have to buy another one because I already have I have different desks, and I'm kind of extra. I like to have the pens that I prefer at all the desks that I use because I don't really love carrying a lot of things. Otherwise I'd be carrying so many things, and the 0.38 is one of those that I use, so it would have just been useful, but probably just for me. Alright, I'm gonna pull out these mild liners. They're not the typical colors that you usually get. Like if you go ever see mild liners in the shops, usually they come looking like this. These are like your very tried and true colors, the green, yellow, and pink. So these ones are, I think, some of the newer ones that have recently come out. And I would have probably tested these in a previous video already, but I'm going to test these ones anyway to show you guys just how beautiful these colors are. The blue, this is the purple, the yellow. I love this yellow. It's a little bright for me, but not too bright. Not like the typical yellow. This pink, also kind of on the bright side, but not as bright. And then orange. These are really nice, almost pastel. I'd say that a little more muted would make it super pastel, but this is really nice. And yeah, so that is everything in June's Zenpop box stationery unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.